Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to download VLC. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download VLC. So today, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to download VLC. You don't have to click anything, click any of that, edit, add this, add there, just a location file, and any of those. I won't make you do those, but you just have to click a few buttons. Right now, first thing you need to do is go to your Google Chrome or any browser, then type in nanite.com. After that, you'll be located here, and in the media, you will see a VLC. Click on the VLC, then get your nanite. Now, once you've done that, your installer will begin to download shortly. There you go. Once it's downloaded, click on it, then download it. There you go. Pairing setup. There you go. Pairing setup. Pairing setup. Mhm. Yeah, finishing. And there you go. It's finished. Okay, up to date. VLC is up to date. All right. So there you go, guys. That's how you download your VLC fast and quick. And that's how you also update your VLC fast and quick. So I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And a bonus tip for you guys, you can also download any site here in any apps here in Nanite. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.